I have here a garden tool set. I'm gonna take it all out, see what it comes with. It comes with a nice little bag, some gloves, and it comes with an assortment of different tools to use in your gardening and in your yard. So right here you can see everything it comes with. It comes with a small trowel shovel, a cultivator, small scoop, weeder, and then a hand rake. And it comes with a pair of gloves. These gloves also have it so you can weed a little easier if you'd like to do that on one glove, and then a nice little bag to store it all in. And there's even going to be more space if you want to add other items inside. So this garden tool set's really nice. It's been really helpful to have the gloves and multiple tools to pick from to help me in my garden for the springtime as I'm planting the stuff that I need just for early spring. I got my onions and garlic, so it's been super easy to plant them with the tools that I have. So this garden tool set's gonna be perfect to help me in my garden and my yard, to get things planted, to get weeds out, keep things organized. I love the nice bag, keep things nice and organized, and have everything I need when I go do things inside my garden.